On top with tori for today, President Muhammadu Buhari don tok how body take do am unto im win matter for tribunal. On top the election petition tribunal wey shele for presidential election 2019, the one wey tanda President Muhammadu Buhari as Naija presido. The win matter wey tribunal take tok say Muhammadu Buhari tanda well to be Nigerian president, na im come make President Muhammadu Buhari take yarn how body take do am as im hear the judgment wey shele for tribunal. E tok say when dis judgment matter dey shele, im bin no get time to follow up the case matter for court as im dey busy with the Federal Executive Council meeting. Naija President Muhammadu Buhari yarn dis one when he receive All Progressive Congress APC party leaders and Progressive Governors Forum for State House. As he tell dem how im take happy for the judgment, as he come tell the governors dem say make dem join hand to see say the party matter e waka well for future. E tok say to see say tribunal judgment waka come for the day wey dem be first do the meeting for the Federal Executive Council meeting, as e be say dem be dey put body for the 2020 budget, and as the meeting reach dem 7 hours to finish, as e be say the tribunal judgment sef e waka reach 9 hours.
I was busy trying to concentrate on the memo. The first one, of course, again, is for the budget, and the memo took more than 5 hours. While you are doing your thing there for 9 hours, we are doing ours for about 7 hours here. It's a very interesting coincidence, and I thank God for it.
Buhari tok say dis win matter so for tribunal affect everybody for the party, the governor and Naija people dem. As e be say if the judgment no waka come like dis, e for affect everybody wey dey the party. E come tell the party leaders and governors dem say make dem put body well, sake of say when dem no dey power again, the party go still get better leg to take stand for the country. President Muhammadu Buhari come yarn say as im comot for secondary school, na im don put body for military matter, and na dis one na im take get ogbonge training wey don give am better experience unto how im go take serve Naija people well.
I thank God for it, because I would have been in a trauma of some sort. I will say in return for sharing the glory with us is to make sure we really institutionalize the party, that when we leave, the party stays and continue to lead.
National Chairman of Progressive Congress, Comrades Adam Aliyu Shomole, he tok say dem deliver the judgment well as the matter clear like daybreak, and this one don help clear all the one wey be dey fly unto if President Muhammadu Buhari if im be go school. E come tell President Muhammadu Buhari say shaking no dey for am as party dey im back gidigba, and im tok say dem sabi say dem go win dis case as e be say President Muhammadu Buhari na ogbonge president, and e no get anybody wey dey the opposition wey fit stand for where President Muhammadu Buhari wey put leg put.
Again, I want to congratulate you for the victory and much more importantly reassure you of the total support of the APC family under your leadership to continue to pilot us and use the opportunity given by this re-election to do the greatest good to the greatest number of Nigerian citizens.
Chairman Progressive Governors Forum Abubakar Atiku Bagudu, wey come still be Kebbi State Governor, he salute President Muhammadu Buhari unto im win matter for tribunal, as e yarn am say sake of the mind wey Buhari get to carry Naija matter well, as e be say wan carry am go the next level, na im make am tanda put for the fake meeting when the judgment matter when e be dey shele. E come tell am say dem as APC governor dem go continue to dey support President Muhammadu Buhari administration, and as e be say other governors sef wey dey the country wey no dey APC, dem sef go support President Muhammadu Buhari as e be say dem don gain well for im administration. E come tok say the judgment matter clear well as the judge dem shook eye for all the matter, the one wey concern the election, and they judge am well as e be say President Buhari e tanda gidigba well as the president of the country.
I want to assure you of our support, and even governors who are not of the APC extraction have benefited from your equitable leadership. We are glad that many good things are happening in Nigeria.
This helps us a lot. This administration is doing a lot to protect the people of Borno State, and therefore the sanctity of this administration need not to be overemphasized.
Victory for Nigeria, victory for Nigerians. We have seen the performance of Mr. President in the last 4 years, and as a state that is just recovering from the insurgency, We are trying to pick our pieces, and Mr. President is complimenting on that. So we are happy for him, and particularly I'm happy for Yobe and Yobians.
It's now time for all these distractions to stop. Let's allow Mr. President and this administration to focus on taking this government to the next level. In Ogun State, we called it, let's join hands together to build our future together.
Let us just get back into governance, which is the most important thing. And the real dividends, of democracy that our people are expecting of us, we can continue to deliver on them. And I believe that's what Lagos is about. That's what the president is also doing for us.
Now here we see the better information reach on top with story for today. As President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn give APC party leaders and state governors unto how body take do am when he hear the win matter, the one we share for tribunal until the presidential election for 2019. Mate where they reach una so on top with story for today. Na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. And to continue to get this sharp and clear information as they share for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And our visit follow us waka enter Facebook for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to get ogbonge informate as it is share.